Air travel opens doors to adventure, family visits, and business opportunities, but it can also bring stress if the right preparation isn't made. From last-minute airport rushes to dealing with flight delays or unexpected costs, the journey can quickly turn overwhelming without proper planning. That's why today's video will reveal 8 air travel tips you need to know before your next flight. These tips are designed to help travelers save time, reduce stress, stay comfortable, and make the entire flying experience much smoother. Whether it's the first flight or the 100th, these strategies can make a big difference. Before diving in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss valuable travel insights. Number 1. Pack smart and light. The key to stress-free travel often begins at home, with the way luggage is packed. Carrying heavy or oversized bags not only makes moving through the airport harder but also risks expensive baggage fees. Airlines today are strict about weight limits, and exceeding just a few pounds can lead to unexpected charges. Packing light means organizing essentials and avoiding unnecessary items. A helpful approach is to make a checklist a few days before the trip and gradually prepare, instead of throwing everything into a suitcase at the last minute. Rolling clothes instead of folding them saves space and prevents wrinkles. Packing versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched helps cut down on the number of outfits needed. Small travel bottles for toiletries keep bags within airline liquid restrictions and prevent messy spills. Carrying a personal bag with essentials like a phone charger, important documents, medications, and a light jacket ensures comfort even if checked luggage is delayed. By packing smart, travelers move quickly through airports, save money, and enjoy a lighter, easier trip. Number 2. Arrive early and allow extra time. Time is one of the most valuable assets when flying. Arriving at the airport early removes the pressure of rushing through check-in and security. Airports can be unpredictable. Lines at security checkpoints may be short one day and extremely long the next. Leaving home with extra time means unexpected delays like traffic, longer check-in lines, or additional security checks won't cause panic. For domestic flights, arriving at least 2 hours early is ideal, while international flights often require 3 hours. This extra buffer also allows time to relax, grab a meal, or simply adjust to the airport environment before boarding. Arriving early also prevents the risk of being denied boarding due to missed cutoff times. A calm start to the journey sets the tone for the rest of the trip, making everything feel smoother and less stressful. Number 3. Stay updated with flight information. Flights can change at any moment due to weather conditions, technical issues, or air traffic delays. Staying updated is essential to avoid surprises. Most airlines now offer mobile apps that send instant notifications about gate changes, delays, or boarding times. Travelers should also keep an eye on airport display screens for real-time updates. Another helpful step is signing up for text or email alerts when booking tickets. This ensures that even if an announcement isn't heard in the airport, information still reaches directly. Having the airline's app installed also makes rebooking easier if a flight is canceled or significantly delayed. Instead of waiting in a long line at the service desk, rebooking can sometimes be handled with just a few taps. Being informed and updated reduces stress and provides more control over the travel experience. Number 4. Organize travel documents and essentials. Digging through bags at the security checkpoint or boarding gate can be frustrating and time-consuming. Keeping travel documents neatly organized saves time and prevents stressful situations. A passport, boarding pass, ID, and any required visas should be stored in one easy-to-reach location, such as a travel wallet or a dedicated pocket in a carry-on bag. Having digital copies of documents is also wise. Many airlines accept mobile boarding passes, and keeping a screenshot ensures access even without internet service. In addition, storing digital copies of passports and visas in secure cloud storage or email provides a backup in case of loss. Organizing documents not only makes the journey smoother but also adds peace of mind, knowing everything is ready and accessible when needed. Number 5. Dress comfortably for the flight. Comfort plays a huge role in making air travel enjoyable, especially on longer journeys. Choosing the right outfit can make sitting in a cramped seat for hours much easier. Breathable fabrics, stretchable pants, and layered clothing work best. Airplane cabins often shift between warm and chilly, so having a light jacket or sweater ensures comfort no matter the temperature. Shoes should also be easy to slip on and off, especially for passing through security checks quickly. Avoiding tight or heavy footwear helps reduce discomfort during long hours of sitting. Wearing compression socks on long-haul flights can even improve circulation and reduce swelling. Dressing smartly not only helps with personal comfort but also saves time at security, and avoids feeling drained after arrival. Number 6. Keep hydrated and bring snacks. Airplane cabins have low humidity, which can leave passengers dehydrated and tired. Drinking enough water before and during the flight helps prevent headaches, fatigue, and dry skin. Carrying an empty water bottle through security and refilling it at the airport avoids the high cost of bottled water at terminals. Food is another important factor. Airline meals aren't always guaranteed, especially on shorter flights, and delays can mean hours without proper food. Packing light, healthy snacks such as nuts, granola bars, or fruit provides energy and avoids relying solely on airline service. Having snacks also reduces unnecessary spending at airport shops, where prices are often inflated. A well-prepared traveler stays energized and comfortable throughout the journey. Number 7. Choose seats wisely. Not all airplane seats are created equal, and selecting the right seat can transform the travel experience. Aisle seats provide easier access to restrooms and the ability to stretch legs during the flight, while window seats offer better rest opportunities and beautiful views. For those who value quicker exit upon landing, sitting closer to the front saves time. Some airlines allow seat selection during booking, while others may require an extra fee. In either case, considering personal preferences makes the flight more enjoyable. Travelers prone to motion sickness may prefer seats near the wings, where turbulence feels lighter. Long-haul travelers may appreciate extra legroom seats, even if it comes at a small cost. A carefully chosen seat ensures comfort, convenience, and a better flying experience overall. Number 8. Respect security rules and be prepared. Airport security can be one of the most stressful parts of flying, but knowing the rules and being prepared helps everything move quickly. Liquids must be within the standard limit of 100 milliliters per container and placed inside a clear bag. Laptops and electronics often need to be removed from carry-on bags during screening. Shoes, belts, and jackets may also need to come off. Having everything ready before reaching the security line keeps the process smooth. Keeping travel-sized toiletries in a clear pouch, packing electronics on top for easy removal, and wearing shoes that slip off easily save both time and frustration. Respecting security rules not only helps avoid delays but also shows courtesy to fellow travelers waiting in line. Preparation ensures the experience is smooth and stress-free. Air travel doesn't have to feel overwhelming. By applying these 8 air travel tips you need to know before your next flight, the journey becomes more comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable. From packing smart to choosing the right seat, every small decision adds up to a smoother travel experience. So the next time a flight is booked, remember these tips to travel with confidence and peace of mind. If this video was helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more travel insights, guides, and tips that will make every trip easier and more enjoyable. Safe travels!